it's Adrienne, Concierge Adrienne. Today we're at a very special place in the north end of our county, Smiley Honey. And I am standing in front of the Honor Box Honey area, so if they were not open for tasting and you really wanted some of that delicious sweet honey, you can come up here and pick any kind of that you want. They have Tupelo, they have all types of different stuff, local honeys, non-local honeys, everything. And then you just put your money in the Honor Box and take your honey to go. So it's a great place to come and get you some local honey and some non-local honey. Today we're actually going to do a tasting with Miss Shirley, so we're going to head on in and do that tasting. Hello.
Welcome to Smiley's. Come on in and have some honey.
Thank you. So how many types of honeys do you bottle here and are for sale here?
We usually have 12 to 13 different varieties of honey. There's about 300 different types of honey made, but we carry the best, the top 13. Our local honeys would be the cotton honey from Jackson County, Florida and southern Georgia. The holly honey is the lowbush gallberry. Our Tupelo honey, our special Tupelo, and our Wildflower honey. Would you like to taste some?
Yes, I would love to taste some.
There you go.
Okay.
And we will start with the Tupelo.
Yes, this is our favorite.
Everybody loves Tupelo.
Yeah. And guys, if you like Tupelo, there's a couple businesses in Gulf County that do specialty dishes with Tupelo. Look for that link later on our Facebook, so we will give that stuff to you. So I'm going to try Tupelo right now. And of course, this is just delicious. It's the best. It really, really is. If you've never tried it before, this is the best place to try it for the first time.
Our second favorite is our holly honey. It is a coastal plant from the lowbush gallberry, and it is very similar to Tupelo in that it does not want to sugar.
So this is the holly honey. Very similar. Kind of, maybe a little bit thicker, if I'm not mistaken.
It's got its own distinct flavor, but it is a little similar to Tupelo. Then we have the Wildflower, which everybody has a Wildflower, but it's just tweaked a little different, depends on what grows in your area.
Yeah, and I heard that if you have allergies, Wildflower honey is very good from your own specific area.
If it grows within about a 50-mile radius of where you live, it does help with the allergies. It's kind of like taking an allergy shot. You get a little bit of that pollen in you.
And I like the Wildflower honey because it does taste like a little bit like flowers. And
it is floral, yes.
It was very good.
And the cotton honey. This is from the cotton fields.
We have a lot of those around here.
Yes, we do. Looks like snow sometimes.
That's a different taste too.
That's very different.
Yes,
it's a stronger honey.
Yes, it is. And you never thought you could eat cotton before, but you can eat honey cotton. So.
And it doesn't taste like a t-shirt.
Nope, it doesn't taste like a t-shirt. It's a lot sweeter than a t-shirt would be. So if someone wanted to come and do this, how would they do it? How would they come up here to Smiley and
just come up here? We're open Monday through Friday, 8 to 3, or sometimes 4 o'clock. Give us a call to make sure we're going to be open, and we welcome visitors to come and see us.
Awesome. And now that 8 to 3 is all Central Times, correct?
All Central
Times. So we
have
a mixture of Eastern and Central and Gulf County. So Smiley is in our northern end of our county in Weewaw, so Central Times. And all of this stuff I can buy here today if I want to.
Oh, yes.
And you have different things besides just honey. They have the lip balms and the candle wax and lotion.
The wax we do here, the candles we make here, it's strictly beeswax.
So that's very cool. And we're about to wrap up here. I might taste some more of these honeys because there's a lot more to taste. But if you guys can see, they're actually bottling some Tupelo honey right now. And I think that's something really cool to kind of point out while we're here. Again, if you want to do this, you can contact Smiley yourself, or you can contact the concierge at our website, and we can get you hooked up with this adventure, and you can taste some local honeys and some non-local honeys for yourself. And I definitely suggest doing it on a day that it's a little bit rainy like it is today. So have a great day.